thing. I was the guy. Everybody just came up to me for change. I don't really want to talk about it.
You're good. You're funny as hell. You got some jokes today, huh?
I'm just talking about my life, but okay, let's say they're jokes.
What had happened was?
What had happened was, I made a wrong turn. All I saw was a buffet.
Dude, they have good food there.
They do have good food there.
Just
it's amazing.
make sure that you don't eat while you're there. You have to leave.
Oh, well, they didn't tell me that.
Then you start getting dollar bills in your taco, and you're like, I gotta go.
Exactly. Would that be for the tacos?
You did. Free tacos. Feels weird, huh? It's like almost soothing.
Yes, it is very soothing.
I love when people do my makeup. So this is the color navy. Pretty. She just reminds me of a girly girl, you know?
Yeah.
So we went with pink. Well, I went with pink again. We.
Alright, I'm about to get glittered.
You're gonna have glitter on your face. How do you feel right now?
I feel excited. No, I'm excited. Everything's exciting.
My little ones used to help me do this, and now they're like, no, Mom. Only on one eye. If we do it on both eyes, it's no picture of sunglasses. We might do that though. It might be fun. No, we'll just do one eye.
Okay.
So which eye would you like a black circle around? Pick an eye, any eye.
Left eye?
Okay. Your left or mine?
Your left then.
Okay, we can do that. And then we're gonna use my favorite makeup tool ever. It's called a Q-tip.
Oh wow!
Yeah, it's a magical creation, but it helps you make glitter. Glitter is crazy, man.
Glitter is awesome.
It never goes anywhere. It's hard to get out.
It's hard to get out, but then at least you know where the dollar bills come from.
My friend's dad always told us, never get with the stripper with the glitter.
Why not? Why not?
Because when you come home, you're covered in glitter.
One time I had a friend of mine, I needed, all I had was $1 bills and I needed change, like I wanted a bigger denomination of bills. Mm-hmm. So I traded like $40 worth of $1 for his 220s. Mm-hmm. And then the next day he called me saying he got in trouble from his wife. Oh, shit. He goes, why do you have all these singles? I'm like, no, it was Francis. I swear it was Francis. So I called his wife, he's my he's a good friend of mine. So I called his wife and said, I have no idea what he's talking about.
Shut up.
I have no, you know what? He said he wanted me to cover for him or something like that, but I couldn't lie to you, so.
You're evil. You're so evil.
Well, he should have known better. I am me, so.
That's how I am with my best friend. Ever a Q-tip. This is the one thing you need to have in your makeup is a Q-tip. This cleans everything up. Because makeup, sometimes you make a mess. It happens. The glitter does not want to come off your face.
If I had a nickel for every time I heard that.
You'd have one nickel?
I have a dime.
Ooh, 2 times.
Yeah, because you just said it the second time. So.
Who said it to you the first time?
Again, I'm not allowed to say because of court cases.
Oh my goodness.
Prevents me from
court cases.
Who said it's more than one?
Ooh.
It's the same case.
Oh, it's the same one.
Maybe. I don't know.
Maybe. So tell me a little bit about this painting behind your face. It's cool. Love all the colors.
Yeah, so this painting is made by a company called Bayani Art. It's like one of my favorite apparel company. They make these. The art pieces that they always make has something to do with the Filipino culture. So I always call their piece, like their shirts, it's like wearable historical art pieces.
Oh, they make shirts too.
Yeah, they make shirts, they make apparels, they make hats, and they make, of course, a poster. And this is the Battle of Mactan Island, where it's Lapu-Lapu against Magellan, the guy who the guy who almost made it around the world, till he became the first tourist of the Philippines and died. Because he tried to take us over, man. So we're like, no, go back home. Okay, we don't want you. We don't want you here.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Huh?
Exactly.
I love glitter. It's so much fun.
It's shiny.
It is. It can blind your enemies. I don't know why more samurai warriors should have worn glitter. They would have been able to kill more people.
I'll take your word for it.
I'm thinking so. That's what I'm gonna go with.
Let's go with that.
Yeah.
So to any of my samurai friends, glitter.
Glitter.
That's the way to
Wear
go.
some highlight. You can
Highlight.